It's time to start looking at editing some of the other pages on our website. Currently, the About Us page looks like this. And of course, we'll want to edit it to look more like our site.
And this will
also the same thing with the Contact Us page. We want to edit it so that it will reflect our fitness website. And so these two pages are what we will be focusing on in this video. So to edit these pages, we're going to click on the Edit Page button at the top of the page. And from here, we can start making changes to the content on this contact page. So the great thing about this theme is that it allows us to visually edit the information or content on the site. So I can simply click on this yoga studio name here and change the content and the words to my Dr. Fit website. So I'm just going to edit the name and address information. I'll also want to change the background image. So we'll just click on the background image option and we're going to find a suitable image for this contact page. So this is the photo that I've selected. And we'll need to update the map that currently shows up so that it can reflect our actual location. So this is an iframe, and we can go to the maps.google.com website. And once we find our location, we can copy the iframe from this website and embed it into our website. My address is 23 Hope Road, and I can simply click on the share button and click on the Embed a Map tab. Now the height is 400 and the width is set to 100%. I'll just keep these sizes when I copy this to, and when I copy and embed this to my website. So just copy and paste this iframe. And currently the width is 600 pixels. I can change it to 100%. And the height is 450, and I'll just set it to 400 and click on preview. And now our map is updated to our location. The next section is a frequently asked section. So I'm not sure if we necessarily need an FAQ section. And I'm also going to add my phone number to the contact information. Now let's take a preview of this page. And this is how it currently shows up. This section is an FAQ section, and you can feel free to fill that section out with frequently asked questions that people may have about your business. However, I am simply going to remove this section on my website. To do this, we just select the section and tap delete, and it will delete it. And then you can update the page. And now we can go ahead and edit our About page. All right, so I'm just going to change up some of the wording on this site, on this section of the site. And instead of an awesome team of yoga lovers, I'll simply change yoga to fitness. And now we can add some customized text to our About Us page. And this page is where you can tell people more about your business, why you got into this line of business, why you want to help people, let them know your mission, your vision, philosophy, and history of the business, and other information that you choose to share, you can put on your About page. All right, so currently this read more button doesn't go anywhere. We'll need to copy and paste a URL of where we would like this button to send us to, or send our visitors to. I can begin typing the name of the pages on the website, and it will begin filtering out different pages on my website. And I can simply select one. And in this case, I'm just going to select the blog here. And when somebody clicks on read more, it will take them to our blog posts to read. And I'm just going to change this to reflect that. So I'll change it to read blog. To change this background photo, I'm just going to click on background image and select another image. And let's select this one and insert it. Oh, and that actually inserted a background image for the entire block, which is not what we want. So let's do Control Z to undo. All right, and now we have changed the image for that section. Next is our instructor section, and I can leave this pretty much as is. I do, however, want to include at least one photo of a male instructor, and I'll just change the name to Doxa, and I'll edit this one. Since there are two instructors, I will use two names, Julia and Samantha. This section you can edit the social media icons. We have the Twitter icon, Facebook, and Instagram. We can paste any custom URLs to our profile pages for each one of these social media platforms. In this next section, it simply lets people know about our business, and then it has a contact us section again. And if we preview this map, it is the old location. So I can go back again and copy the map that we created, or the location that we created, and paste this iframe here. And let's preview it. And I think that's showing pretty good. And now that we're done, we can preview this page. And we also have some social media buttons at the bottom of the page that we can edit. So I'll go ahead and click update to save these changes. And now let's click on customize so that we can customize the footer of this website. All right, so when we select the footer and expand the widgets that are in the footer, now we see the icon that is at the bottom of the page. We can select this and upload a new icon. So I'm going to use a website called Vecteezy to find a nice vector image that I can upload here. And I'll just search for something in the fitness category. And without searching for too long, I'll just select this one that's right here. And we can download this vector for free. Now all we have to do is go to the location of this download, and we can extract the files that are inside of it so that we can have access to our vector. And let's open up this zip file in WinRAR. And from here we can extract our vector image. So this is what it looks like. Let's click on extract. Okay. And now to upload this to our website, we go to the upload files tab and drag our vector onto this, and drag our vector to upload it. And then we can click on add to widget. Right, so this is a pretty huge file. So before I add it to the widget, I am going to reduce the size of this vector. So we're going to go to the reduceimages.com website, and I'm going to name this something that makes sense, that I can remember. So I'm just going to call it muscles, and we're going to upload this file and resize it. And I definitely want to scale down these pixels to, let's say, 500 by 500, and click on resize. Always remember, if your images are too large, try to resize them to a smaller size so that they can load faster when people visit your website. Part of good SEO is having images and a website that loads fast. Now I can click on add to widget, and in the second section, these are also our social icons. We can choose to change the look of the icon or upload an SVG file or an image for these icons. I will not change anything there, but you can go ahead and modify this as you see fit for your site. So I'm going to go ahead and publish this. And now when we view our web page, all of our changes have taken effect.